So can you tell me about your association with changes, made it more exciting? Are you having to do different
Helium? Like just. Wow. Yep.
Guys, can we start with the...
Yes. Yeah.
Come, Anushri and Arpita, why don't you also go on?
I thought they're doing solo, no? I thought they are doing solo.
Yeah, both of you.
Thank you.
Because we've done our solo.
Come, let's
We'll do solos, yeah? We'll do the solos also.
Yes, come.
Yeah.
It's inspired by like the monuments and the palaces of Hyderabad. So we've kind of fused like, you know, Zardozi and a lot of old world glamour to create this look.
Great. Would Ileana like to say a few words?
Yeah, sure. This is my second time walking for Anushri, and it's been beautiful. These collections, these outfits that she makes are just so pricelessly beautiful. They're very, very intrinsic sort of work on it, and I love it. I love it. I think it's beautiful. It makes you feel like a princess, and I think it helps that it's sort of inspired by old world charm, because you sort of feel like you're back there. So I think it's beautiful, and I think Kanika, you were wonderful on stage. She just sort of lifted the whole show up. It was beautiful. And yes, so were you. Anisha, you always were.
There you go. Thank you. Kanika, you want to...
Hi everyone. First of all, thank you Anushri for giving me this opportunity. It was so much fun. I was a bit nervous about it because it was my first time singing on a fashion show. And I think it was a lot of fun. And what a fabulous collection inspired from the Royal Courtyard. I mean, I've personally been to the palaces, so I kind of know where you're coming from. And thank you so much for the beautiful outfit and I just think the colors and everything put together was so nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Arpita, can I have a question? Say a few words. So my collection is called The Royal Summer Affair. It's about this girl who comes from a royal family and lives a disciplined life. So this summer she just wants to let loose and have some fun. So the collection is very soft, romantic, flirty with a little bit of mirror work applique all over. So yeah, that's what the collection is about. Great. Thank you. Isha, would you like to say something?
I really love the color palette that she had, and honestly I would like to just add to Anushri's collection and Arpita's like that, because it was just hers is fully royal and hers is like flying away from the royalty. So I think I just like the irony that both the collection had, and still like you can see that irony, but there's still like you know the feel that they're coming from. And Arpita's been a dear friend, and I think her collection just always it always has Arpita's element, which is being little girl and still making it sexy. So I mean it's something that I would want to wear off the rack as well. Thank you.
Do we have any questions?
Isha, is your style more, disciplined, or is it more fun according to the theme?
More fun for sure. I mean, I'm disciplined by nature, but I've been an army background, Air Force child, so that discipline of 7 a.m. waking up and then sleeping by 10 p.m. So I think the rebel in me is what her collection is about. That's why I have so many tattoos. It's not like I want it. I don't even know why I have them. I don't know what they represent. But it's just, it's the rebel that's come out.
Ileana, you tell us about what do you think fashion is, and how do you go about day-to-day dressing?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm the right person to be answering this question. I think I'm completely maybe disconnected, because I think I wear what I feel like wearing. Some days I really don't want to bother what people will think about what my clothes are like that day. It might make my behind look extra big. I don't care. It's comfortable, So it depends. I think it's an extension of your personality, and that's what I do. So I like wearing stuff that I feel comfortable, I feel beautiful in, and it could be a pair of sweatpants one day and a gorgeous gown the other day. But today I'm a little, maybe royal princess. I like to think that. Thank you.
We also have Sonam and Paras Modi here. Hello.
Sorry.
Everyone. I don't know. Hi.
Should we move? So even Mr. Performance.
You can probably.
Please welcome Sohina Paras Modi with Kajal Agarwal and Achal.
All of you on the right, please. Center, please. All of you center. Now planning time. On your right, on your right. On your right, please. Yeah, ma'am, center, please. All of you on your right. All of you center. Center over here. Anushree, ma'am, center. Can I take a solo? No. Yes. Here, center, please. Here. Now center, both of you. Arpita, inside, yeah, inside. Arpita. Yep. One more at the right. Yeah. Yeah.